Want to make the best of your quarantine? Have more Quran time in your life in this month of Ramadan. Make the Holy Quran your best friend, your best companion, because the Holy Quran contains the medicine for our hearts. In one hadith, Imam al-Baqir alayhi salam states very beautifully that the best of the believers are those who read the Quran. But in what way? وَرَجُلٌ قَرَأَ الْقُرْآنَ فَوَضَعَ دَوَاءَ الْقُرْآنِ عَلَى دَاءِ قَلْبِهِ. The best of the believers are those who read the Quran, they take the medicine of the Quran and they apply it to the disease of their hearts. Now, I'm not talking about heart disease in the sense that this physical heart is not in good shape. We're talking about the spiritual heart here. Sometimes our spiritual heart gets plagued with diseases, with jealousy, with arrogance, with selfishness, with sins. The Holy Quran is that medicine. Take the medicine of the Quran and put it on the disease of your heart. وَرَجُلٌ قَرَأَ الْقُرْآنَ فَوَضَعَ دَوَاءَ الْقُرْآنِ عَلَى دَاءِ قَلْبِهِ فَأَسْهَرَ بِهِ لَيْلَهُ وَأَظْمَأَ بِهِ نَهَارَهُ. This person, he spends the night with the Quran. He spends the day with the Holy Quran, because the Quran becomes his best companion. The Quran is the light. وَالنُّورَ الَّذِي أَنزَلْنَا. It illuminates the way. My dear brothers and sisters, take advantage of this holy month of Ramadan to seek closer to the Holy Quran. Make the Quran your best companion. Ponder it. Contemplate its beautiful verses. Be familiar with its content. The Holy Quran will save us in this world. It will save us in the grave. It will save us on the Day of Judgment, without any doubt.